Hello everyone, on this video I want to show you how to fix a laptop that has overheating issues. On this case we're using an HP G4. I'm not going to go into details on how to open it as there are many tutorials out there. So to verify if the temp is the issue, we can test it out by monitoring the temps with normal usage, such as YouTube. And yeah, this is dropping frames like crazy. Or even better, with a benchmark. And having a temp of 83 Celsius is not good, even if it's under the 100 degrees Celsius limit. So, after disassembling the PC, we have to remove the heatsink and clean out all the gunk in the fins. To make sure we get all this stuff out, we can disassemble the fan and clean it out the best we can. This fluff stuff is blocking out all the airflow and making the PC overheat, so it's cleaning time. After cleaning the heatsink, it's time to replace the thermal paste. To clean it out, we use isopropyl alcohol and a tissue or Q-tip. The heatsink copper must be clear, and the CPU die has to look like a mirror. Alright, it's time for the new thermal paste of your choice. Any paste is better than the old crusted paste. An easy way to apply the new thermal paste is just to add a small drop of paste in the center of the CPU and then put the heatsink back on. The pressure will expand it, so remember the rule is the least amount of paste, the better. So now, reassembling the PC, we can test it out. Opening YouTube, the performance has improved to the point of washable. And just to be sure, benchmarking the PC shows a 30 degrees Celsius drop in temps, so I can assure you the operation was a success. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.